Good day guys, I'm back again for new tutorial. So today our topic is on how to reset your admin password if you are forget or you did not remember. So we have two options to reset it. So the first, using the command line on the uh, using yung MySQL and access on the CLI, and the other one is uh, for example in the PHP My Admin portal. So for example, I forgot my admin login. So what will we do is, if you know the username, so for example I'm using the default username, I did not delete. Okay, so you need to go log into your CLI and then type the MySQL. So when you are in the MySQL, you are entered, so change the uh, MySQL to open or access the asterisk database. So first you need to check show databases, so that you will see the list of the database, and then we're gonna use, because we are using the asterisk database for the Vicidial, so we are now in the database asterisk. Okay, so to show the user, you need to do the select command, select user, and then ID. Okay, and then comma user, then password. This one you will see the the user details, or so that you can get the from the Vicidial table, then underscore users, and then where the user underscore level. Let's wait to 9. Let me check. So our command should be 7, so you need to change the from 9 to 7, so that you will see your user level and also the password. But one thing, if you already forget and you did not, and also the other way to change, so this one to show the user password here, so the admin password here, so you will see we know the password of the admin. And the next one, if you want to change the password, you need to, so you forget and Vicidial underscore users, then set the password to new, set the password. So this one will be your, for example, test 2021, this will be my new password. Okay, so update users, set password, so you'll be your password where the user, so, and what is the user you would like to change the password, so my admin password. Okay, and then end. So it's, and then when you check again, we have now a new password of test 2021. me check my user level 1. So we don't have an user level 6 or 8, 6, 4. Okay, so show on. Okay, so that you need to set this one. Maybe you are change the user level for the admin is always 9, and for then I will try to log in again my admin account using the new password test 2021. Okay, so I have successfully logged in my password. Okay, so if you want to change also the password, for example, I want to change the password for the user account, so just this one. So just Vicidial set user password and just change this one to 888. So my user account password will be test 2021. Then when I make a refresh, let's see, so one user passwords will be on 2021 already. Okay, so how about the if you test our PHP my admin. Okay, so PHP my admin, so this is the easiest way to change your password also. So from here, just your password, then cron is the username, the password this will be 1234. So you need to go to the asterisk database and look for the user, Vicidial user. Okay, so from here you can see your Vicidial user. So this one you can simply edit the Vicidial password. So I will back to 8888 and then simply enter. So row affected, it means successful. Once I update, I will back to 8888. Okay, so and also my admin, so test 2020, then enter also and updated. When I go to, when I check my, okay, so because I changed, so then test 2020. Okay, so they are the same. The one is command under command and the other one is using the GUI using the PHP my admin. So much better you have an access on PHP my admin to navigate some changes. Okay guys, thank you again. So you have learned on how to reset your admin password, also the user password. Just remember, just you need to only remember the user ID, so that you will able to change it. Also, if you want to change the level, so if I want to change this one to level 7 or 8, let's check and then refresh. So and now my user 1 should be on level 8. Okay, so thank you guys, and once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic knowledge about the Vicidial and some open source dialer. So if you want to support our channel, so you will see my details below, so that you can send some donation or any amount will do, so that we can we can do more videos about Vicidial and other open source dialer. So soon I will once I'm done with Vicidial's all the basic settings, so I will I will do some configuration from other dialer or open source PBX, so I will continue the pre PBX and Fusion PBX and other PBX I will research, so that I want to all-in-one on my channel, so you don't need to go to any channel to watch my or the settings. Okay guys, once again, this is HBT tutorial. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you always updated on my latest video. Thank you guys and bye bye.